Located in Solomons in Calvert County on the mouth of the Patuxent River, the Solomons Boat Ramp is operated by the Solomons Boat Ramp and Fishing Center. A renovation of this facility was completed in 2019. There is a 4-lane concrete boat ramp that is 75 feet wide and 65 feet long with a 14% grade. There are also 2 aluminum floating docks that are each 8 feet wide and 100 feet long. This dock is ADA compliant. A kayak and canoe launch provides ADA accessible access with a staging dock and aluminum gangway. The parking lot has a number of car and trailer spaces. The facility also includes a fishing and crabbing pier, as well as comfort stations and a tack and bait shop, which are open during staffed hours. The boat ramp and fishing pier are open 24 hours. Ramp fees may apply. Enjoy your visit to the Solomons Boat Ramp facility.